In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom labels in Google Merchant Center next. This is an incredibly useful skill to master, giving you greater control over your product data and enhancing your campaign management capabilities. So without further ado, let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your Google Sheet that's linked to your Google Merchant Center feed. This sheet acts as your primary data source, so ensure it's accessible and up to date before you proceed. If you're juggling multiple feeds, make sure you select the right spreadsheet connected to the respective product feed. Once you've done that, find a suitable column where you can add your custom labels. You're going to add a new column header, and it's important that you use the correct format. So type in headers like custom label 00, custom label 1, and so forth. Each label number can represent a different category or identifier depending on your needs. This setup allows you to create various filters later on. Now that your columns are correctly labeled, it's time to populate them. Go ahead and fill in the values for each product row. This is where you customize criteria such as sales, promotions, or seasonal categories that fit your marketing strategy. Tailor these labels to target different segments or groups to optimize your ad performance. Take your time with this step, as precision here can significantly impact your campaigns. After you've entered the relevant data, make sure to save the sheet. It's a crucial step because any unsaved changes won't be reflected in Google Merchant Center, potentially leading to confusion or data discrepancies. A simple save click ensures that everything is recorded accurately. Next, navigate to your Google Merchant Center account and head to the Products section. From there, click on All Products. In this area, you'll see an option to add another product source. Go ahead and click it to proceed. You'll be prompted to select how you want to add the new product data. You'll want to click on Use Google Sheets. This method provides a seamless integration, allowing Google Merchant Center to directly incorporate data from your existing spreadsheet. The next step is to choose an existing spreadsheet. This is the file you were working on earlier, containing your carefully crafted custom labels. Select it to upload your items. This step connects your Google Sheet data with Google Merchant Center, aligning defined custom labels for future sorting and targeting. After choosing your sheet, go ahead and click on Continue. This action initiates the process of data verification and incorporation. Finally, be patient while the upload completes. Depending on the size of your data file, this might take a little time. And there you have it. You've successfully added custom labels to your products in Google Merchant Center. This enhanced organization allows you to segment and target your products better, ultimately improving the performance of your campaigns. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more guides. See you next time.